Hello guys, this is Saeed Raza. Today we are going to be talking about how to insert windows in Revit architecture. Obviously, window cannot stand alone anywhere you want. It has to have a wall. So we designed these walls in my last video. Uh, to insert the window, what you have to do is to go to your architecture panel, click on Windows, and usually Revit gives you this fixed windows option. You can select either of them because this is just an example. As I said, you cannot just put the window anywhere you want, exterior or interior. It has to have a wall. When I hover over the wall, it gives me the option to put the window. I just select the window and that's all about it. Here we go. Notice that this window, the hinges are to the interior and the hinges on this window is to the exterior. I can change it. Just click on the window and then press spacebar once. Here we go. And here we go. If I want to change this one, click on the window and here we go. But that's not all about it. There's tons of other options to have windows. Like for example, if I go to my 3D, that's how my windows are gonna look like, which are pretty simple. There's a lot more options. Go back to level 1 or your 2D drawing, go to insert, load family, and this is actually on Windows all the time. Select your country, which is Canada in this case. As you can see that the folders are categorized by alphabets, like alphabetically. Go all the way down to Windows, press open, and select any window that you want. It could be just an opening. Let's see, which one should I select? I would select this one, let's say. Revit is going to give you another option. What's the width of the window? What's the height of the window? You can always adjust the height and width by going to the families, but that's for advanced. We're talking about basic level. So you can select either of them, press OK, and then go back to your Windows, architecture panel, go back to your window. And that's the window that you selected. By any chance, if you are not able to see the window, come back to your properties panel, select the window type, and select the window that you just selected from family. As you can see that this window is broader than the window that we selected before. Let's see how it looks like in 3D. Here we go. It's broader, but it's shorter. Let's try another type of window. Go back to level 1 or your 2D drawing. Go to your insert mode and then load family. One of the interesting windows that I really like, it's called the bay window. I think we have the bay window somewhere around here. I'll tell you why I like it. Let's see if it exists here. Should be somewhere around here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Gonna select it. Select this one actually. Open. I don't want to save it now. Go back to your architecture panel, windows, and come down to your properties panel. And here we go. This is called the bay window. The reason I like this window to be used in sometimes commercial, mostly in residential buildings, because it catches light from the right side, from the left side, and from the front. I'll show you how it looks like in 3D. Here we go. It does come out of the wall a little bit furthermore, but it does also get a lot of light if it's actually designed. You might have seen it somewhere around you in residential buildings. This is called the bay window, but that's not all about it. You can download more and more types of windows. It depends on the material, the color. You can adjust the height and the width of the window by going to the family panel. But we are not talking about the family now. We are just doing the basic part of the window. Let's try one more window. Go back to your window. You can actually go to insert, panel, load family, uh, come down to any other type of window that you like to select. Let's see if I can select this one. press enter. Apparently it requires a big wall. I can go back to my 2D, go back to architecture, window, and this is what we selected. Click on the wall, select the wall, go back to your 3D, and this is how it's gonna look like. It's pretty similar to this view window, but this has a 45-degree angle. This is pretty much straightforward, 90 degrees and 180 degrees. That's all about it. Further, we are going to make a project. We are going to make an actual building, a small building or a structure which would have windows, doors, stairs, and roof and foundation and the ceiling. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Peace.